Joke lang, gano'n. Gusto ko masaktan, ha? Oh, pero gusto ko muna palakpakan yung mga sarili ninyo dahil sa kabila po ng mga nangyari sa ating bansa, nagtutulong-tulong pa rin tayo. Hindi tayo nakakalimot kung saan tayo nagmula. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan yung mga sarili ninyo. Thank you so much. At siyempre, nako, meron pa tayong bonggang-bonggang hinanda na dyan. Are you ready? Nako, Diyos ko, malamang dito kikilabutan kayong lahat. Tatayo ang mga balahibo ninyo. Bakit ikaw mo? Kasi alam niyo tayo mga Pinoy, talaga namang kilala tayo sa ating galing. Husay sa trabaho, galing sa pag-arte. Siyempre, alam niyo na yan, no? Lalo na sa ating mga artista ng ABS-CBN. At ganoon din naman sa, siyempre, sa husay sa pag-awit. Kaya naman po, eto na, marami tayong mahuhusay ng mga singers na nakakapasok sa international music scene. Wow, ang taray. Ay, oh my goodness. This year po, as TFC celebrates its 20 years, we pay tribute sa galing ng Pilipino. Kaya, ang napili natin ay siyempre ang performer na talaga namang may angking galing. Na talagang pagaling talaga sa hatawan. Diyos ko po, walang makakataob dito. Ready na ba kayo makapagsayawan? Eto na, ang nag-iisang Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V!
Japan o Hong Kong, babalik ka rin, babalik ka rin, babalik ka rin. Malayo ang marating, Singapore, Australia, London o Amerika, babalik at babalik ka. Sa Pilipinas, 7,107 islands that make up one country. I know you're from different places in the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. This time, I want to hear you sing it. Kay tagal mo na nawala, babalik ka rin, babalik. What? Kay tagal mo na Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Now I know how many of you have brought family members with you here. Alright, that's great. Now I know for a fact that if you've had kids and they've grown up here, some of you may have forgotten to teach them the native language. But the problem is we don't know what the native language is, right? It can be Ilocano, it can be Bisaya, it can be Tagalog. But it is so good to be, or Ilonggo. But it is so good to be here because I know I see some of the young ones here, and the young ones are also stretching out their hands. So maraming salamat sa young ones that are here. How many young ones here tonight or this afternoon? Tara, nanonood po si Ma'am Charo Santos. So, ibahin ko na lang yung tanong. How many honest people are there here? I'm asking for the young ones. Hindi yung naging young ones. But there is a message I want to give you all because nakikita ko ngayon, being here with all of you, how nice to use the entire stage and give you the entire spectrum of what it's been like for me in the past 30 years. I love to move on stage. I love to reach out to the people beyond the boundaries, even yung mga nasa likod. But I want to make sure that when you leave today, you leave more than the vision or the sight of your favorite artists, but you take home the message we want to give you. Ngayon, kung ano man ang makuha niyong mensahe dito sa susunod kong kakantahin, I just leave it up to God for that. To all of those who are here in front, thank you. Pero yung mga nasa likod, yung mga naglalakad, yung mga nasa iba't ibang booth, thank you for being here. This is a celebration of who we are. And I want to share this with all of you. I hope that you are blessed with this one. Thank you. Daniel and Kat and Enrique and Julia or any other artist tomorrow, the shows and our music will remind you all about this. Listen. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together. Listen, to you and to the one who gave you eternity. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. Together forever, 'cause I will be here. One of these days, we will all come back here to be with you. We love you so much. Lately, I've been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, thank you, the warrior is a child. Maraming salamat. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I look up for just one smile, 'cause deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Now, children, I need your attention, and I need your attention because I need your attention. One thing I think you've noticed is that the Pinoy parent, whether father or mother, are very strict. That's correct. That didn't come from me. That came from a father, a mother. Or medyo masyadong dramatic ang dating, paminsan-minsan. Pero naniniwala ako may dahilan kung bakit medyo ang Pinoy ay talagang hindi lang dramatic, kundi romantic din. How many of you here are in love today? Today, I mean, I hope it's also that way tomorrow, you know? How many of you were in love once upon a time? How many of you want to be in love again? You see, the funny thing is, it's the same hands all the time. That's how dramatic and how romantic the Filipino is. Kaso, ako natutuwa ako dahil nakikita ko ang daming mga kapamilya natin dito na talagang sumusuporta sa TFC and ABS-CBN and its shows. But I found out that there are ways to watch these shows online. Kaso, mga kapamilya, I have to stress this. This is very important. I hope I get your attention. Nalaman ko din na sometimes you can watch the shows for free and everybody wants to watch for free. The problem is there are sites online that are pirate sites wherein hindi mo lang mapapanood ang show for free pero parang ini-exchange mo ang mga sarili ninyong personal data from your computer. As you enter these sites, they are there to steal the information that you have on your cards, on your bank accounts, on your email addresses, on anything that they find worthy to have. They will take it from you if you enter these sites. Kaya mga kapamilya, we want to give you the best and we want you to enjoy in the most enjoyable way. So please, keep away from those sites and only stick to tfc.tv.com. You gotta go there because that's where you will find the only legit site online, tfc.tv. You can check it out and see all your favorite shows there. Now, what's this? Wow. Dwight Lago. Oh yeah, I know this family. The Lago family is here. See, that's what I like about it. Every time I come to a place like this, I get to meet people who are like family. And the way you have accepted all of us, mga kapamilya, you really made us feel like family. So I thank you for that. And because of this, I want to give you some songs para sa akin, para sa sarili ko, parang magiging kasalanan nito pag hindi ko to kinanta. Pero di ba, medyo familiar na tayo sa boses dun sa television na nagsasabi ng kapamilya. So itong susunod na mga kanta ay para sa inyo. Dahil alam namin, I know for a fact that some of these theme songs have become theme songs not just of your favorite soap operas, but maybe they have become theme songs of your own personal lives as well. This one is really special for me because this one is a collaboration between me and someone really truly special in my life. I wrote the music to this song and she wrote all the lyrics to this song. Mga kapamilya, it is a blessing for me to sing these songs for you. Thank you for all the support you've given all of us at ABS-CBN and for TFC. That's why we're here for 20 years now, for you. I know many of you have been here kanina pa. The sun came out, it's cooler today than it was yesterday. And I hope these songs soothe you somehow. Sana maulit ang mga oras natin nagkaroon. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho nga ba ang pag-ibig? Sana bigyan ng pansin ang himig ko kahapon bukas ngayon. Tanging wala ng ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana asa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana Minsan, sa Maynila, pag may concert ako, at medyo same time as the teleserye, nakikita ko yung mga tao na nagte-text habang nagpo-concert ako para lang tanungin kung ano ang latest. Siguro ganun din ang iba sa inyo dito, especially with this one. Listen. Mahal sa inyo, hindi mapabago. Ikaw lang ang ibigin ko. Kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako, asahan na di maglalayo. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa inyo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Dahil ang minsan ay mapakailanman. Maraming salamat. Nais namin sabihin sa inyong lahat na even if this event ends, what we promise to give you will never end. Congratulations to TFC for 20 fantastic years for every Filipino everywhere in the world. Now I remember when this song was given to me, sabi nila, Gary, can you produce this? Can you arrange it? And can you sing it for what is now known as a phenomenon in Philippine television? You might remember this. Okay, I hope you enjoy it because I love to sing this song for people like you.
Mamahalin
sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Tapos akala ko matatapos na dun. Bakit mo pang isang binibigay sa akin? Ito, this one is not from too long ago. You might know this one. Ikaw na kami kong iniisip, ang lagi kong panaginip, tayong dalawa ay laging nagmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailan may di maglaho ang pag-ibig ko ito, pagkat hindi ko makakayang mawala sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko, sana na may pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. London! Ikaw lamang ang lagi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayo magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang. Alam niyo, para sa akin medyo bitin ako kasi ang laki-laki ng entablado. Tapos, ano to? Bakit? Kasama ba natin to? You're fired, sir. Ano to? Ano ibig sabihin ito? Alright. Some of the songs that I did are actually available in the booths, the TFC booth. So the GV, Gary V CDs, t-shirts, and books are available right there at the TFC booth. Now, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay susubukan kong gamitin ng buong entablado. Kasi sayang di ba? Now, I want you to know that the only difference between Gary V today and Gary V of 30 years ago is sometimes you will see me be like this. Because it's really hard to do what I do. But I'm gonna do something that, as the saying goes, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So I'm going to do something that I did way back in the 90s. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba, marami akong kaedad dito. Yes! Yes! And mind you, when I first did it in the 90s, I already did it with the cane. Gimmick namin to dati with the Maneuvers. It's a group that I used to dance with. So, if you are ready, if all of you are ready, I would like to give you some songs, hindi naman yung mga ballads, pero yung mga sinulat ko nung 80s and 90s that hopefully touched your feet because I'm gonna move right now. And you have the biggest area that you can move in. Total, nakatayo naman kayong lahat So if you wanna join me, if you wanna get up on your feet like you're doing now, if you wanna jump, sing, put your hands together, whatever, take. Let's do this. Alright? You guys ready? Okay, let's do this. Come on!
Get on it. Roll the drum.
One time, hindi ko pa ito nakikita, but I want to see you put your hands together to the beat. Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Listen! Ano pa kaya ang dapat gawin ng isang katulad mo upang paniwalaan at intindihin mo ang mga nais-sabihin ng puso ko? Bigyan mo ako ng pagkakataon, paliwanagan ang iyong isip. Kahit sandali lang, patutunayan ko lang na mahal kita hanggang ngayon. Oh, babae, nakakatuwa, maliit na bagay lamang pinalalaki pa. Ba't ayaw mong libutin ang nakaraan? Di mo na ako pinapansin.
Inay, tama ka.
Huwag mo na sanang isipin ang mga nangyari sa ating noon. Nakikita mo yung iba? Sige! Kahit ano ang sabihin mo, may babalik pa natin ang kahapon. Let's go! Alright, now listen! Alala ko noon, during the 90s, may isang rapper by the name of MC Hammer. Ang ginagawa niya noon was he would go, "Huh!" and the people would go, "There it is!" So I want to try it right now. It goes like this. I say, "Huh! There it is! Huh! There it is! Huh! There it is! Huh! There it is! Huh! There it is! There it is! There it is! Let's go! Action! Ngunit sa'yo lang maaaring sabihin ito. Ako'y naguluhan at di ko maintindihan. Matagal ko pangarap makilala siya, ngunit paglapit niya, lumalayo naman sa kanya.
Ito ang tamang gawin upang malaman niya ang tunay kong damdamin.
Mahal na mahal ko siya, kahit di man lang ako kilala. Hey, hey, come on now. All right, children, hold on now. I want all of you over here to put your hands up in the air one time. Now just wave it from side to side, waving from side to side, waving from side to side. Let's do it double time now. Waving from side to side now, from side to side now. Excellent. Keep that energy going. All right. All right, you people, put your hands up in the air. Let's go. Kung alam nyo to, kantahin nyo rin, ha? Listen. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa, ipahalin na lang kaya.
Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di ba rin naman kaya?
Ngunit mahal ko siya. Hey!
Di ba rin naman
lalo na ako. Pipin na pipin ako. Kayo pa ba?
Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Titiwala na lang kaya.
Di ko kayo marinig!
Ako parang kaya ang nasa puso niya. Titiwala na lang kaya.
Ngunit mahal siya.
Titiwala na lang, titiwala na lang, titiwala na lang.
Sabay, sabay!
Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Titiwala na lang kaya. Ako parang kaya ang nasa puso niya. Titiwala na lang kaya.
Mahal siya.
Titiwala na lang, titiwala na lang, titiwala na lang.
Let's take this home. Check it out.
Grabe ka! Grabe ka talaga! Kinikilabutan ka ng buwag-buwag! Teka, tuwag ako ng tuwag doon. Grabe!
Thank you, Mama.
Yan ang galing ng Pilipino!
Sige, dito ka muna. Inom muna ako ng tubig.
Sige, painumin niyo muna ng tubig. Tao lang yan, hindi
Pwede ba?
naman ano.
Kasi, sige, pwede ko naman kantahin ito. Sige ba? Pwede ba ako uminom ng tubig? Sandali lang.
Oo, Diyos ko, maawa naman kayo, Mr. Pure Energy, pero nauuhaw din yan. Grabe! Di ba? Talagang tag-iisa yan eh. Wala na susunod dyan eh. Ikaw na
Alam mo,
talaga yan.
Popon.
Ikaw na talaga yan.
Isa na lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyong lahat.
Anes.
Alam nyo ba kung ano yung edad ko ngayon? Okay, quiet. Nung 14 years old ako, na-discover ng mga doktor na may konting karamdaman yung katawan ko, diabetes ang tawag. Ang sabi ng doktor, mula dun sa araw na natuklasan yung diabetes, yung average lifespan ko daw ay 30 years lang.
Ano?
So pag dinagdag mo yung 30 plus 14 is 44. Sa darating na August 6, I'm turning 50 years old. Ang bait ng Diyos, no?
Totoo lang.
Di ba?
Kasi alam niya na magbibigay ka ng saya sa lahat ng Pilipino all over
Sobrang
the
bait.
world.
Actually talaga po ako ang sobrang bait. At pag ganito ang kaharap namin, iba eh, no? Iba yung...
Diba? Alam niyo ba, kayo talaga nagiging energy rin namin. Dito sa stage, kayo talagang pinanguhugutan din namin ng lakas. Ganun yun.